Hello, today I'm going to present pods. So what is a pod? Pod in Kubernetes is a box for containers. This is the simplest definition of the pod. And what I would like to do, I want to create a pod. So let's do this. kubectl, run, and now I want to run Apache. So after the run, we need to provide a name of the pod. And you need to remember that two pod names cannot exist at the same time. So you cannot have two pods with identical names. It's impossible. So we will call it Apache, for example, 1 and -- image equals and HTTPD. The name HTTPD comes from Red Hat family distros, just because there, instead of Apache 2, you have something like HTTPD, and it is exactly the same Apache. And in Debian, you are installing it with apt get Apache 2, and in Red Hat, for example, in the newest version, you are using dnf install HTTPD, or in the older version, when you are using yum install HTTPD. So that is why we are using HTTPD, and this is the Docker image. Okay, so let's do this. And what if we want to use a specific version of the Apache, for example, some older version? We can use something like that. Apache, let's call it older, and it can be Apache 1 older. And here, if you want to specify a version, then you need to type colon and provide a version, for example, 2.2. That is all. How to display pods? kubectl, then get and po or pod or pods, it doesn't matter. kubectl recognizes the command and it is displaying the information about the pod. So if you want to install more than one or run more than one pod, and you need to watch the status, and you can use the watch command, watch kubectl get pod, and it will display information about the running and creating pods. So this is it. Control-C exits the watch window. Excellent. So for now, this is everything what I wanted to present. Very quick and simple lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye-bye.